What's up everybody? In this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on. Not sure exactly how they're gonna do. They're at the kind of early stage. Hopefully they'll have a decent potential either to keep or quick flip. But before I'm going to show you the projects, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first project, it's called Shoeguns, free mint, and at the time of recording this video, they have 7,500 followers. If we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting decent engagement on their Twitter posts, but again, I think it's due to pre-mint links or maybe different kind of collabs that they're doing, and this is part of the requirement. And if we scroll down, as you can see, they're also collabing with the different alpha groups and NFT projects. And then the second project, it's called Gangsters, and at the time of recording this video, they have 12,000 followers. And if we scroll down, as you can see, they getting decent engagement on their Twitter post, and also they're collabing with the different NFT and alpha groups, like for example Llamaverse and other ones. So this is another one. And then the last one, it's called Inusaki NFT, free mint, and they have 13,500 followers. We scroll down, they're getting really good engagement, but again, this is most likely due to pre-mint links or maybe part of the requirements from NFT projects or alpha groups collabs. And as you can see, they also collabing with different groups and NFT projects. This is just a quick free 3 mint NFT projects that I'm gonna keep my eye on. Hopefully they're gonna do decent for either quick flip or maybe to keep. It also depends how the project is gonna do and what exactly they're gonna offer, if the project is gonna have any kind of utility or not. And this is it. Every project that I talk about in this video, I'm gonna leave link in the description below, and thanks for watching.